today we have something very nervous in this bag today. So, let's see what's inside.
Careful. You might cut it.
That's it, yeah?
That's it.
Okay, that's done. What do we have here? Fluttershy? Look at this cutie!
Okay, describe.
So this is, as you may have watched the series, this is Fluttershy. She is the most adorable character of all. And she does hold a special thing. And I don't know why this is like this though. Well, let's see. There's a tag right here. What's in here? Okay, nothing else. Dirt. Dust. So this is basically Fluttershy. This shirt is sticking to me a little bit because I got wet hands on this. So, pretty much, guys, so this is pretty much the video. So, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye!